G'day humans, Stead here. I'm on the road. Today I'm in Hawaii and I'm at the Iolani Palace and I'm going to give you a bit of a review of my thoughts about this popular tourist destination not far from Waikiki Beach. Let's go.
Oh no.
So you can see the palace here. It's probably about a 15-20 minute ride from kind of your main Waikiki Beach area, like an Uber ride. And look, I'm going to film a bit on the outside, but they requested that I didn't film on the inside, so I haven't, but I've got plenty of still photography, so we'll jump to that shortly. But this is the main palace, and over here you kind of see this medieval castle looking place. That's where you're going to head first, and you're going to pick up your tickets there. And then when you come up here, they're going to put some covers over your shoes, give you a couple of rules to follow, and basically don't touch anything, and don't video please, and make sure you turn your phone silent. I think they were the 3 big rules. And then they give you like an audio tour experience, which is quite easy to follow. You just punch in the button, press play, and it gives you a bit of a spiel about each of the rooms you go through. It's all kind of held in very similar to what it must have been like back in the day. It's pretty kind of awesome seeing all the old furniture and seeing the scale and the size of the rooms that they used to, or the King and Queen of Hawaii used to reside in, where they used to hold their formal meetings and their dining. It's pretty editorialized, like it seems to be a very positive spin on the type of human beings that the King and Queen were. Maybe they were, I don't know. But it definitely wasn't much in the way of criticism. It does delve into a little bit though about how America came to take power from them, turn into a republic. So you will learn a little bit about that. I think obviously adults are going to get a lot more out of this than kids. There were some kids in there kind of going around. It's not the most, it's interesting in terms of cultural detail and just learning a little bit more about the people here and the place. But it's not like, swashbuckling adventure stories or anything like that. I can imagine the kids would really struggle to keep their attention for a long period of time here. However, there is plentiful fields and mega trees and space around here for the kids to run around if you want to go inside and soak it all up. There's a quick tour and a review of the Iolani Palace here in Hawaii. I'm happy I had the experience. It's not an essential visit, but you will walk away having seen some pretty awesome stuff and learning a few key bits and pieces about the history of this country, well, state. I'm Stead. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, I'll check you later.
Oh no.